Hey guys, this is Cord from Heartland Building Center coming at you with another Milwaukee Monday. For this Monday, we have Milwaukee's M18 Fuel Barrel Grip Jigsaw. A little bit different style than what you're probably used to with the D handle, but they claim a little bit better ergonomics, and for some people it's a better fit as well. This thing takes a 5 amp hour battery or larger. You can go all the way up to a 12-0 battery on it. It's got a little dust collection port here that runs a little tube out, so that way you can have dust collection if you need it. But just be aware that anything over a 5 amp hour battery is going to interfere with that dust collection. This thing has a variable speed on it from 1 all the way up to 6, which is 800 to 3,500 strokes per minute. It also has this pretty nifty feature on it. You see an A right here. A stands for auto, which just means that when it's first starting on the cut, it'll slow those strokes per minute down to around 1,500. And then when it starts to sense a little bit more pressure, it'll start building that up to a higher speed, so that way you can get that cut good. And so it also has 0 to 3 on the orbits. So if you're cutting something thicker, that helps you out there. And it also has a built-in blower on it. Turn it on right here, and that just blows away dust from your cut line so you can see where you're cutting at. You can also turn it off, and they do recommend that when you have the dust collection attachment on it, so that way you're not blowing stuff out instead of sucking it through your shop vac. And so we'll just put the battery in here, and this thing does have a quick lock on the blade, which allows you to just release it and put a new one in really quick. It has a protective cover on the sole here, and then you'll see a little Allen wrench. And all that Allen wrench does is that changes your bevel angle from 0 to 45, and this does have quick detents at your 22.5, 30, and 45, which is your common angles. So we'll just snap this back on here. And we'll put it on auto. I'll turn the blower on so that way I can see what I'm cutting. And then this is just some 1-inch thick wood, and so it'll be a good simulation of how it'll cut. So I'll just turn this on. This is ambidextrous buttons, so if you're left-handed or right-handed, you can just turn this on either way, and it works either way. You have to flip it up and hold it for about a second or two, and that way it starts. They do that just as a safety feature, so that way you can't bump it and accidentally turn it on. So I'll just hold this up and turn it on, and we'll start cutting. So you can see there, you can probably hear it, that auto feature, it starts out slow, and then once you get into that cut a little bit more, it starts to build up those strokes per minute. This thing is really slick, cuts very easily. The barrel grip feels good in the hand, so that way you can kind of see and maneuver a little bit easier than what you're probably used to with the D handle. This thing is in stock at our Hayes, Russell, and Stockton stores. If you guys want to stop by and check it out, we got it. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Make sure you like on Facebook and Instagram, and also make sure you subscribe on YouTube. Hit the notification bell, just notifies you whenever we post new videos, and that goes up on your feed. Make sure you comment on Facebook and YouTube as well. Let us know what tools you want us to review, and we'd love to do that. And also, we are in Russell and Stockton too, as well as Hayes. So if you want to stop by and check out a tool, we typically stock everything that Milwaukee has. Come in and see us for all your Milwaukee needs, and then also check out our videos every single week as we post new stuff every single week. Also make sure to comment on our YouTube page to be entered into a raffle to win some really cool Heartland Building Center hats. We have these in different colors, so make sure and comment and subscribe.